YouTube. Welcome to Chiefs Fan Center. We've just beaten Marumo Gallants 2-1 at the Twitter Stadium. Man, where do we begin? As you can see, I've had a very good day as a football supporter. I'd like to talk about the two best players on the pitch today, particularly Shabalala and Sirino. I'd like to talk about Sirino, man. What a player. I didn't think he could play on the left wing anymore considering his age, but he proved me very wrong. Hence, I put him as a number 10 on the team sheet. As you saw today, right wing today, because we don't trust the guy on the right wing side. We don't trust him, and when he got the ball, he didn't play very well, which he sees most of the time. On the left wing, though, you have a PSL winner, a 7-time PSL winner, a guy who's got 60 goals and 60 assists for Mamelodi Sundowns in about 200 games, and arguably the best South American import into PSL over the past 10 years. What a player, man. The way he strikes the football, the way he's so composed, the way he passes, it's something that we've never had over in about many years, man. He's a different type of player, and I'm proud to have this Kaizer Chiefs. He absolutely destroyed the right back today on the left-hand side. Molongwane absolutely destroyed him, took him to the cleaners, had him on toast. And left him to Shabalala playing the free role today, like he was everywhere, literally everywhere, in a good way. Finding those spaces in the midfield. And the combination play between Sirino and Shabalala will be very good for us this season. It was a good day for us, man. If you watch the preview that I did a few days ago, I said that I'll take a 1-0 defeat as long as we played well. And today we won and we played well. As long as they gave us something to look forward to, even if we lose. And today we won and they gave us something to look forward to. You have players who are fighting for the ball, fighting for every single ball. Even the players who didn't play well. Yusuf Mount didn't play well today. Foster didn't play well today. You could argue Nasser Miguel didn't play well today. Siley didn't play well today. But these guys, they put in effort. They track back. We got so many yellow cards because of players who fought for the ball, fought for the badge, showed us what it means to play for Kaizer Chiefs. And that's what we want. That's what we want. Twitter Stadium was full. Give those fans something. Give those fans their money's worth. And we absolutely did that. They played for the coach, and I'm really looking forward to this era under Coach Nabi. Let's be honest, guys, about the position. They played very badly today. They played Garista like Mahangu, like it was hit and hope for the position. They didn't play very well. You can see it's a relatively new team. There's no cohesion or chemistry within the team. They're still finding a way to know each other, but I think they'll do good. But that midfield was open. Like we dominated that game today. The only way they're going to win was if they score a goal like they did today, Kapatreke, not a clean goal as per se. And last season, I think we lose that game last season because there's heads drop because that goal wasn't fair, and the players' heads drop. They feel there's no justice. But I think Navi has instilled the mentality inside those players that no, guys, it's the Kaizer Chiefs who can win this game. There's still time to win this game. So I'm very proud. The only problem that I had today was the midfield, Zwane and Mahut. I think Mahut had a very bad game today. I think put a proper CDM next to him, and I think Mahut will cook. Or I think he has to be benched, next game, because since everybody's going in on Yusuf Mount. But we keep Yusuf Mount on the pitch. You saw what happened for the second goal. Many players shoot. So that's quality. That's quality. Okay, guys, let's do player ratings. Ndwari, I think a 7. The goal wasn't his fault. Very commanding, very tall. I think he can be good. I'm not sure if he's a ball-playing goalkeeper, but he's a good shot stopper. Didn't have much to do today, but I'm happy with this goalkeeper. Reinforced light, give him a 5. I give him a 5. The right hand side wasn't very good today, honestly. But Foster will be a very good right back. But I'll give him a 5 for today. And then Nasser Miguel, I think you can see that he's the number 4. Like he fights for the ball, he does the dirty work. I think it's going to be very hard for Msimango and Ikloka to come back into the team. I think we've got a very good partnership here. So Nasser Miguel, I'll give him a 7 today because he fought today. You saw that Mahangu tried to play mind games with him and he fought very back. That's a winning mentality. That's a continental CAF Champions League defender. And then Dudley, composed once again. I didn't see much of him today. Didn't have much to do, but very composed. I'm very decent backs, man. I'm very happy. I'll give him a 7 also. And then Cross, I think an 8. That left hand side was amazing today, and he contributed very well. Like Imanwa Heda, like he's a very good defender, and one for the future. One. I think the left back for the next 10 years. He's not kicking Richie, who's going to be a squad player. He's going to be starting left back for us for the next, I think, 10 years, if possible. Yusuf Mount, I give him a 6. I was going to give him a 5, but you keep these players for moments like the second goal. Most players shoot. There. That's the quality that we keep. He has a moment in him, and that's the quality of a player. If a player has quality, you keep him in for moments like that. If Messi watches the whole game, he has a moment in him to win the game. Some kilos 1 and 6, steady 6 also. Didn't do much wrong. Progressive midfield. He reminds me so much of Kobe Mainu, man. Literally, he's Kobe Mainu, not a good passer, not a good shooter, but a very good dribbler. Yeah, but he can get the ball to the attack very easily. A very good dribbler, Zwan. And then Sirino, 9, man of the match for me. Man of the match. Sirino, what a player, man. Yo, what a performance. This is quality, man. I think, yo, it's been a long time since I've seen a player like, yo, especially midfielder. We've seen the Dollies and the Billiards play well for us, but I think Sirino's like, he's something different. And for a 33-year-old, I thought he was here for retirement fund, but nah, he's here to win stuff with us. He's here to win the big trophies and here to show our players that this is Kaizer Chiefs, a big club, and we have to yeah. Hey, Saile, I think a 3. Horrible performance, man. He'll come good. He'll come good. I won't say much about Saile. I'm just trying to keep it positive. Chivaviro, I'll give him a 5. No, okay, a 6 because he played very well. Like, I think he can be a very good striker for us. He has to score that goal, man. That, I think Sirino cut the ball in the first half. He had a chance. He had to score that, man. He had to score that. To Shabalala an 8. I'll give him to Shabalala an 8. He found the pocket so well. What a player, man. I think, honestly, I didn't think he'd score many goals this season, but I think the way Nabi plays his system, I think it suits to Shabalala very well. I think he'll score many goals for us this season, and then he will become very good. So on to the subs now. Who came on? Duba got an assist, so it has to be a 7 or an 8. It has to be a 7 or an 8. Very fast also. Very fast. It looks very fit this season. He tracked back also an effort. That's a Chiefs youngster who loves the club, putting in the effort also. Dupree, I'll give him a 6 because he didn't do much there. Who came on? Castillo, a 6 also, very steady, but a midfield of Martha and Castillo doesn't work, man. It doesn't work because there's no positional awareness from both of those players. I think that's the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I'm out.